Hey everyone, if TeamViewer isn't connecting and you keep seeing connection errors or timeouts, yeah, it can be pretty frustrating. But the good news is most of the time it's actually a simple fix. In this video, I'll walk you through several quick things you can try to get TeamViewer connecting again. Let's start with the most common one. First, make sure your internet connection is actually working. I know that sounds obvious, but TeamViewer needs a stable connection on both computers to connect properly. Try opening a website or running a quick speed test. If the internet isn't working, reconnect to Wi-Fi or restart your router before trying TeamViewer again. Next, restart TeamViewer completely. Sometimes the app just glitches and reconnecting fixes it instantly. Close the program, wait a few seconds, then open it again. After that, try reconnecting using the partner ID and password. Another common issue is running an outdated version of TeamViewer. If one computer is updated and the other one isn't, connections can fail. So, yeah, open the TeamViewer menu, check for updates, and install the latest version if one is available. Now, double check the TeamViewer ID and password you're entering. These change sometimes, especially the temporary password. Even one wrong character will stop the connection from working, so just confirm the ID and password shown on the remote device. If TeamViewer still won't connect, the issue might be a firewall, antivirus, or a VPN blocking the connection. Try temporarily disabling the VPN or checking your firewall settings to see if TeamViewer is being blocked. Once you allow it, try connecting again. Another fix that works surprisingly often is restarting the TeamViewer service. On Windows, open the Services panel, find the TeamViewer service, then restart it. This refreshes the background connection that TeamViewer uses. And if nothing else works, yeah, the final step is reinstalling TeamViewer. Uninstall the program, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. A fresh installation usually fixes corrupted files or connection bugs, and that's it. One of these fixes usually gets TeamViewer connecting again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out the other quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching.